Hey everyone, welcome back. Round Geek here. So you might feel uncomfortable using Windows 11 with the Microsoft account, and this is the reason you want to continue Windows 11 using a local account. Now doing this is very simple, and right now you can see that I am logged in to my Windows 11 with this Microsoft account here. So what you have to do, right click on the Windows icon, click on settings, then from the left hand side you will have to click on accounts. And here you have to scroll down a bit. Under the account setting, you will have to click on your info. Again, scroll down a bit and it says sign in with a local account instead. And this message you will be only seeing once you are signed in with the Microsoft account. Now, many users say that once you switch to a local account, you will lose all the data that you have on the desktop or your computer. I'm not sure about it, but let's try it and see what exactly happened. And on my end, you can see on the name of application, I have Google Chrome here and I've created a new folder here. So let's see whether it will remain or not once I switch to a local account. So in order to remove the Microsoft account and add the local account on Windows 11, you will have to click here, sign in with a local account instead. Click on next. It will ask you the current PIN. So just type it. Then it will ask your local account information, enter the username and password for your new or existing local account. So let's say I want to create this by the name GEEK. Then it will ask me the password. So I will type the password. And then you have to give any hint so that in case if you forget the password, this can remind you. And now finally, you will have to click on next, sign out and finish. So it will be finally signing out. And the next time when you start the computer, you can see your new local account name over here. So just enter the PIN. And bingo. So now you can see that how quickly we just switched to a local account. And if I click on this Windows icon, click on the user account name here. So you can see it says GEEK local account. And even you can see that I have all the data, the Google Chrome application, and the folder that I created, they still exist on my desktop. Even if I go to settings again and go to the accounts, your info. So this time it says sign in with a Microsoft account instead. As earlier, it was saying sign in with a local account. Alright, so this way guys, you can quickly remove the Microsoft account and you can continue with a local account without any kind of problem. And hopefully found the information useful. If yes, please hit the like, subscribe, and I see you in the next video. Bye-bye.